If Audacity is throwing error code 9992, don't panic. Even though it says insufficient memory, this problem is usually not about your RAM at all. In most cases, it's a communication issue between Audacity, your audio device, and Windows permissions. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Audacity working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, we're going to restart the Windows audio services. This is one of the simplest fixes and it often solves the problem immediately. On your Windows computer, click the Start menu and type Services into the search bar. Open the Services app from the results. Once it opens, you'll see a long list of system services. Scroll down until you find Windows Audio. Right-click it and choose Restart. Then do the same thing for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click that service and select Restart as well. These services handle communication between your system and your audio devices, so restarting them can clear the connection issue that causes Audacity to show error code 9992. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to run Audacity as an administrator. This can help bypass certain restrictions that Windows may place on the app when it tries to access audio resources or write memory-related data. To do that, close Audacity completely if it's open. Then find the Audacity shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click the icon and choose Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to allow it. Now try opening or recording in Audacity again and see if the error is gone. A lot of users find that this step alone clears the issue because it gives the program the permissions it needs to work properly. Now let's check your Windows privacy settings because this is another common cause of audio-related errors. If microphone access is turned off, Audacity may not be able to communicate with your input device correctly. To fix this, open Windows Settings and go to Privacy and Security, then look for Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also check that apps are allowed to access your microphone. If you see Audacity or desktop app permissions listed, make sure nothing is blocking access. Once these settings are enabled, reopen Audacity and test your audio again. This step is especially important if the error started after a Windows update or after installing Audacity on a new computer. At this point, one of these three fixes usually solves Audacity Error Code 9992. To recap, restart Windows Audio Services, run Audacity as administrator, and make sure microphone permissions are enabled in Windows privacy settings. In many cases, the issue is simply that Audacity is not communicating properly with Windows, and these steps restore that connection. If you're still having trouble, try rebooting your computer after making these changes. A full restart can help Windows apply the new service and permission settings correctly. Then, open Audacity one more time and test whether the error is gone. I hope this video saved you some time and got Audacity working again. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Audacity troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.